In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your cache using Cloudflare. Whether you're experiencing performance issues or just want to make sure you're viewing the most up-to-date version of your website, purging the cache can often be a simple yet effective solution. To get started, you'll need to visit the Cloudflare website. If you're not familiar, Cloudflare is a content delivery network and DDoS protection provider that also offers website security services. They make managing your domain easier and provide various tools to optimize and secure your website. Once you're on their website, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first to proceed. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard that lists all the domains you've registered or linked to your account. Here, you should see your domain name, which is basically the address of your website on the internet. Click on your domain to proceed. This will bring up a menu with various options related to your domain settings and performance. What you want to focus on is the caching option. Caching helps your website load faster by storing copies of your web pages in locations closer to your users, but sometimes these copies might get outdated. So click on Caching to go to the caching settings page. Once you're in the caching section, you'll see several options. Now you want to look for an option that says Configuration. Clicking on this option will take you to a new page where you can make adjustments to how your site's cache is managed. Among these settings, you'll find the option to Purge everything. Purging clears the stored cache, essentially removing the old copies of your web pages from the system. It's important to note that once you clear the cache, your site might take a little longer to load the first time a visitor accesses it after the cache has been purged. This is because the server will need to generate fresh copies of the pages again. However, any changes you've made to your website will now be visible, which can be crucial if you've just updated content or corrected an error within your site. Now simply click on Purge Everything. A confirmation prompt might appear to make sure that you really want to perform this action, as it clears all the cached versions of your web pages. Confirm your action, and there you have it. The process is complete, and your site's cache has been successfully purged. That's all there is to it. Regularly clearing your cache can help ensure that your website is running smoothly and displaying the right content to your visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on managing your website effectively.